Dragon. And what?
Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Ernest Cocina Camp USA. For today's video is reveal time, one of my presents that I got during Christmas Day. And this one also is from Santa. So my son wrote a list for Santa and I asked favor to write down one of my one thing for Christmas. And guess what? It really happened. Santa got me a gift and I'm gonna show you what I got. Ready guys? Ta-da! I got a 4-letter mini fridge and let's go and let's open this. So this is for my Regimin, Beauty Regimin. So we can put all the stuff here for lasting life. So it has 6 cans capacity and portable. It's transportable, cool and warm, AC and DC, and quiet. So it's not loud, which is really nice. So let's go open it. Box here. Styrofoam, I mean. Ta-da! This is it, guys. So this is the mini fridge that I got from Santa Claus. This is it. It's so cute. Look at that. It's like a toy. I'm gonna transfer my stuff here, and this is the opening. So it's including the cords inside, and has a slip here. You can put some of your stuff here. So we're gonna take that. That's it, guys. I'll show you some stuff that I'm going to put. And the name is Crownful, the brand. There you go. Thank you so much for watching.